Alright, welcome to this video, and I'm going to talk about a specific mistake to avoid while posting in Instagram or actually whatever other social media. And this mistake is, if you have a business, is posting all the time about the products and buy the product and blah blah blah. So this is what I found to be the closest to the mistake, the closest account that uh, uses this mistake. And this is an example with Herbalife. Herbalife, by the way, is a great company, and I have two different examples of one person doing it wrong or towards the wrong way because he's doing some things right also, and the other person that I will show you in a bit, she's doing it very right. Alright, as you can see here, he's posting almost all the time about the products, and he doesn't get much engagement, like 11 likes, 7 likes, 12 likes, 9 likes. Alright, and by the way, this person has also 3,000, almost 4,000 followers. Alright, which by the way is not much if you consider that he has the account open from I don't know when, about 1 year ago, and probably more. Now, this is what you don't want to do. You don't want to post all the time about the products and buy this product and call me, etc. Now, the thing that he's doing right is, first of all, this one, for example, he's doing a post with a person, uh, a woman that is fit, and then he says here, Herbalife Nutrition. This is a good post. Now, one more thing that I want to share. Let me check if I find it. It was somewhere here. Oh, here it is. This is another very right thing that he's doing. He's promoting results of Herbalife, and as you can see here, the same person, completely different body. How do you say? Body fat from here to here. Here she's fit. Here she's not fit. And then here it also says Herbalife. It promotes Herbalife, and it is a very good thing to promote. Okay, good. So as you can see here, this person does not have much engagement, and this is towards the wrong thing to do. Not completely wrong, but towards it. And I'm going to show you a person over here that I found with the same company. She's Greek, by the way. And if you see here, she has 20,000 followers, and look the difference. She has a personal account and not only Herbalife. She promotes it also, but she